You're gonna fail.
Liar.
Are you gonna put this on your YouTube?
Yeah.
On your boob tube? Oh, you missed already. Oh, look at that, sucker.
Shut up! Restart. Okay. I can do these. Hold on, let me stand up. Ah. Alright. Wait, hold on. I can fix this up. Oh, you told it.
I might as well let it keep playing. While you do that, I'll be on YouTube. Checking my YouTube channel that people should be subscribing to. Lols. Still missing it. Yeah, that's right, that's what I'm talking about. You better hit it perfectly. Come on, you're almost done with the intro. Like, maybe 20 seconds away. More like a minute. Alright, you're about to finish. Better not fail. Did you just notice that? Well, I can hit that in my sleep.
Well, sorry, I don't have this song. Ah. Whoa, something's at least on this.
This is like the easiest song out of the Dragon Force track pack. I probably started this my first try.
I didn't.
What?
I didn't.
You don't know that yet. You still have like another 8 minutes of song to go. And you still have not collected star power. I bombed the other 2 songs. I got like 3 stars for first try on the other 2 songs. So whenever you come over to my house, you're gonna be recording videos.
Sure.
You can do it. I was about to say it's over 9,000, but you've been passing 9,000. Oh, I gave that part by sleep too. It's over 90,000.
Well,
Better not fail. Or I'll slap your titties. Maybe we should have saved the star power
thanks for telling me.
in case you need it. You never know. You're 4 minutes into the song.
Whoa.
I wouldn't record your hands right now, but I don't want to get this camera back into its perfect position. Look at that, it's like perfect all the full screen.
Look at the blue button.
What?
The blue button messed up.
My guitar does that sometimes. That's why it's better if you play with it sitting down. Or lower the guitar a bit. It still gets me through the songs, so don't trip.
Okay.
We have weapon malfunction right now. So have you heard of Guitar Hero Greatest Hits?
Yep.
You know it has Dragon Force in it?
Yep.
And Fire Emblems? And Freebird? Apparently they changed it to Smash Hits. Told you wouldn't need Star Power. How embarrassing is that? You got it on video.
Shut up.